set me free. Falling down used to break my fall. Now I'm shattered on the floor and I can't get back up. Where did the time go? The world just keeps on spinning. Where did my heart go? 'Cause I don't feel anything.
I just want to say I'm really happy that you guys are here. It means the world to me. Come on, guys. I never, ever, ever. You go talk to your friends, talk to my friends, talk to me. But we are never, ever, ever like ever. Really gonna miss you picking fights and me falling for it, screaming that I'm right, and you would hide your way and find your peace of mind with some indie record that's much cooler than mine. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You don't have to be my tear stain, and I don't have to be your runner. We can choke us all up like the last wave of a crazy summer. And you can keep me in your cell phone, and you can stay on my mind. Pretend we're both strong till we believe alright. So I'ma wipe tears, I'ma turn first, and see my last line like a rehearse. I kill the lights and both walk up the stage. Love's a crazy thing, sounds simple, just LOV. But I can't do this anymore, it's too much for me. I'm losing myself in everything I hope to be. Finally found my good and goodbye, so but here I am, you can't change me, no matter what you try. Here I stand, oh I'm so brave now. I have no reason to hide, I'm not worried, I'm not scared. Here I am. Here I like a battle wound, so ashamed, so confused. I was broken and bruised. Now I'm a warrior. Now I got thick skin. I'm a warrior. I'm stronger than I've ever been in my is better still, you can't get in, I'm a warrior. And you can never hurt me, there's a part of me I can't You